So today we got a 1998 Lexus gs400.
1988 Lexus
On this
gs400.
one, the starter's under the intake manifold.
On the bottom of this guy.
So, you know where we're going with this. We're gonna start off with this and then go from there.
So right now we're taking off all the hoses. We're gonna...
Hello. So we're fine. Ooh. This is gonna get interesting. Is that sand? Comment sand if it's sand. Holding. This is what Dad just took off the screw. Let's see what else he's doing. Whoa. Nice. And he got another screw. Okay, now it's finished. You gotta do that.
Take out this.
Let's see what he's doing.
Taking off the wiring harness from...
Let's wait for Dad. Guys, while Dad's vacuuming it, what should we do? Play Fortnite? Just kidding, we're not gonna play Fortnite. Wah, wah, wah.
Alright, so we got everything squared away. The next thing is this fuel line right there, disconnected, but we already got all the bolts. This one and then the ones that are hidden right there. This one back here. The same thing for this. This one, it's right there. You can't really see it, but they're all the same thing. I disconnected this, no cool. So we got that fuel line off. Now we're ready to take off this intake manifold. Let's get it out. So we got him out. Man, that out.
Let's go.
If my son was here, I probably wouldn't be able to do it. So the hardest thing really was this guy right here. We got to make sure to clear him
this.
With
and that little straw.
The bracket. Make sure you clear him. No, hardest thing was getting this guy out the way. You wouldn't need an extra hand, you know. But, I mean, it's probably possible, but it wasn't easy. But this is what we got going on. Let's replace that guy and sand it. So for these two bolts, make sure these guys right here. Right now, I still haven't taken off the tungsten power. So to get them, I went from the rear. Get it with the...
We got the new one in now. Put everything back together and sand it.